Just looking for the lightning road. Oh, right there. By the way, guys, I did change my icon. I'm going to try and complete this 2 times in a row. Actually, hold on. Look at my face cam. What's up? My hair is... sorry for my hair. It's super messed up. I literally just got up. Oh, crap. Yeah, my hair, I just got up, so yeah. Oh, geez. I don't remember everything about the lightning road. I'm too busy looking at my face cam. I know it's supposed to be a ball, but I found a way to like cheese it. I'm gonna cover myself with my covers since I'm on my bed. I'm gonna cover myself with my covers because I'm a little cold. My blanket. Yeah, I'm gonna cover myself with. I'm super cold. It's cold in my bedroom all the time. For some reason, it's always cold, so yeah. And plus, it's very comfortable. It's exactly why I use it. Anyways, no more talking. It's supposed to be a ball, but I found a way to like not make it a ball because with the ball it's way harder. So yeah, don't be like, oh, you remind me of Ma, you hacker. What if all these crap heads are just calling me a hacker? Like, just because I skip a portal doesn't necessarily mean I'm a hacker. No, no. Oh, I cannot believe I can't re-beat it with face cam. If I fail 90%, I am going to run out of this room, punch my couch 10 times harder than I did the last video when I failed in 94. If I could get my face cam correct, yeah, I might be able to, whatever. My hair is way messed up. Oh my god. My hair is so messed up. Sheesh. What the heck was that? Who posted a video? Oh, it's one of the games I have. Oh god, I thought you had to jump. The music is dry out. I don't care about freaking copyright. What does it matter? Why does copyright matter anyways? Like, it means you're famous. Bam. I hate how the lightning road has like only 1.0 blocks. And yeah, this was made in 1.2. I guess this guy was like the first creator. Actually no, it was like Darnock or someone. Yeah, GG, I beat it with face cam. Yeah, I'll probably replace this with the other video. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed and see y'all next video. Goodbye. GG.